Hi everyone, Mary Kay here. Today we're going to be making my guiltless pasta Alfredo. So what I have here is a spaghetti squash. I just cut this in half and I baked it for about 40 minutes with its the cut side down. And then I let it cool, and as you'll see, it breaks into these beautiful noodles. Go ahead and scrape the noodles, so beautiful, into this little small pot here, and they come right out. They're beautiful noodles, really lovely. So you just scrape them out, very easy to come out, and you can see it just pops right out. And then for this one, all we're going to do is use a fork and separate the noodles from the wall of the squash, bring it into the center like this. This is just so miraculous, the way that this breaks into these amazing little noodles. Add them to our pot here. You can make this with a creamy sauce or a tomato-based sauce. I'm going to be doing it with a creamy cashew Alfredo sauce, completely vegan, 100% vegan. So the next thing we're going to do is make the Alfredo sauce. So what I have here is a cup of raw cashews. I'm going to add that to this thing here. We're going to add the juice of half of a lemon. I have a nice Myers lemon here. I use my fingers as the strainer so that the seeds don't go in there. So get all of that nice juice out. And then we have a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. So you can find this in the bulk section of most stores, like natural foods type stores, like Whole Foods, places like that. You're gonna add that in there. So you're gonna add about enough water to just cover the nuts, just barely cover the nuts, and then we're going to blend this into a creamy consistency. So you can see this is all creamed up and all blended up. It's pretty thick at this point, so we just covered the cashews with enough water to have it blend into a creamy consistency. We added some salt. You can add some garlic to this as well if you like garlic. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the spaghetti squash, we're going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, just a bit, and then we're going to put this on. We're going to just mix this up to coat it with the olive oil. And then also a little bit of sea salt. So again, I use Himalayan pink salt, just about a teaspoon or so, or to your taste. Just add a little bit of salt to that to season it before we add our pasta sauce. Because we're going to add the Alfredo cream. So of course, this is 100% vegan. We are adding the blend. Just mix this in here. So that's what it looks like so far. Looks like pasta. And then what we're going to do is warm this up, and we're going to finish it with a little bit of chopped parsley to give it some color.